Welcome to Life in Focus. I'm Dr. Alessandra Wall, and this is your Monday motivation. Listen, over the last couple of weeks, we've been really talking about roadblocks, things that hold us back from achieving our goals. Well, this week, I want to talk about actually moving forward on a goal. I was having a conversation the other week with Dan Edwards. Dan is a big figure in the world of parkour. He has been featured on the Life in Focus podcast, and I highly recommend listening to his interview where we talk a lot about fear and moving forward and beyond fear. Dan is also someone who's extremely busy and who, like me, seems to have his hand in a lot, if not too many things, although Dan would never use the word too many because they're all his choices. And so I asked Dan what his number one productivity goal would be, and he stopped for a second and thought about it, and then said, do it now. So let's put Dan's tip into action this week. Let's see how we can do it now and make that our intention for the week. Now, there are a couple ways you can approach this. Either you can use do it now for a specific goal. Think of something that you've been stalling on, something that you've been meaning to do but haven't been doing, and do it now. If that thing is a really long-term goal, then break it down into smaller steps, smaller increments, and start with the first one and do it now. If you don't have a specific goal you've been working towards, then think of do it now as a general intention for the week. And anytime you're working towards something, apply the do it now principle. So for example, you've been meaning to call your mom for a while but haven't, do it now. You've got a letter waiting for you to put a stamp on it, do it now. You walk by some things that are supposed to go in the laundry basket, do it now. And let's see how doing things now, doing them right away, improves our productivity over the week. Now, as usual, I love to hear from you, and I'm here if you need any help with this, or if you have any questions on how to apply this to a larger, more important life goal. And you can reach me by email at alessandra@lifeinfocussd.com or via Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. Instagram is Life in Focus SD. Twitter is Life, the letter N, and then Focus. And then Facebook is Life in Focus. Hope you have a great week, and let's get this week done and get it done now.